going on YouTube? It is your boy DS Dan back here with a video. Yo, I know I've been away for a while, guys. Just a lot of things that's been releasing. Just wasn't my cup of tea, man. Back at it with these reviews, all right? Now there's some good stuff coming out, so I'm a little excited about that. So I will be giving you guys these early reviews. But yeah, man, right now we got the Air Jordan 1 Palominos on deck, however you pronounce it. Dope shoe right here, guys. I'm not gonna lie. When I first seen it, I was like, yo, these is fire. So I think I'll bring it outside for you guys today so you guys get a good look at the quality and the colorway. You know what I'm saying? So brown and black Jordan 1, set to release sometime in September. Show you guys real quick how they look and stuff like that, so you guys can decide if you want to pick them up or not. Also, before we get into this video, all you guys out there, make sure you hit that thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and also click the notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload videos like these. It does come in a cool box, which I do like a lot. Take a look at that box. We got a black Nike box. It got the gold Nike on the front, you can see. Also on the side, size tag reads Air Jordan 1 Retro. The colorway is black metallic gold Palomino. Inside the box, you got your regular white paper, and that is it. We're gonna start off with the front of the toe box. Take a look at the front of the toe. The material on here is like a nubuck, whatever. Really nice and soft on the front of the toe. You can see it does change when I rub it. All right, doesn't come with any extra set of laces, just got your black laces that come on the shoe. The tongue nylon, got your Nike Air in the gold. Coming over here to the side of the shoe, we got an all white midsole that goes around the shoe. Very nice. I like that a lot. All right, now you can see we got the brown swoosh, brown in the back, brown on the upper collar. You do got the Air Jordan in the black with the basketball, and you do got your black leather on the mid panel and going in front of the toe. Take a look at the medial side of the shoe. Medial, same as the lateral. You got your brown, you got your swoosh in the brown, black, white midsole. You guys can see very nice. The leather is pretty soft, I must say. It's not bad. They did a good job with these, man. Take a look at the bottom, the outer sole, all brown outer sole, the Nike branding right there. As for sizing on these, I do recommend you go true to size. Go true to size, you'll be good to go. Inside, gold Nike Air, black inner sole, black sock liner. Real cool shoe, man. Like, here's the other one. Real nice looking shoe, I must say. I'm digging these a lot. Coming out in September, so it's gonna be a dope shoe for back to school, dope shoe for the fall time. So I think this is gonna be all around a nice release. These will definitely sell out. This is gonna be a good shoe to add to the collection, man. I wanna know what your guys' thoughts are in the comment sections below. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you're new. I really would appreciate it. And yeah, stay tuned, I got more videos to come, man. Now I'm gonna show you guys quick how they look on feet, because it's been raining a lot where I live at. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick look how they look on feet. Hope you guys enjoy, man. Thank you all for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, click that subscribe button. And yeah, Air Jordan 1's on deck. Let's get into this on feet. It's your boy DS Dan. I'm out.